Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech reviews and news. Today, we've got something exciting lined up for you, the brand new Samsung Galaxy A25. Whether you're a smartphone addict, a photography lover, or just someone looking for a budget-friendly powerhouse, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the display and design. It features a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. What does this mean for you? Crisp, vibrant visuals whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just browsing the web. Plus, with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of brightness, you get smooth scrolling and great visibility even in bright sunlight. The phone boasts an 84.2% screen-to-body ratio, making it perfect for immersive viewing. The design is sleek and modern with a glass front, plastic frame, and back, weighing in at just 197 grams. It's available in 4 stunning colors: Brave Black, Personality Yellow, Fantasy Blue, and Optimistic Blue. And for those of you who love options, it comes in both single SIM and hybrid dual SIM models. Next, let's delve into performance. It is powered by the Exynos 1280 chipset, paired with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM. This octa-core processor ensures smooth multitasking and gaming performance. It runs on Android 14 with One UI 6, offering a user-friendly interface with plenty of customization options. Whether you're switching between apps or playing graphic-intensive games, this phone can handle it all with ease. Plus, with storage options of 128GB and 256GB, expandable via microSD-XC, you'll never run out of space for your apps, photos, and videos. Now let's talk cameras, a crucial feature for many of us. It comes with a versatile triple camera setup, a 50MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro camera. This means you can capture everything from detailed close-ups to expansive landscapes. The main camera also supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring your videos are as sharp as your photos. And for the selfie lovers out there, the 13MP front camera delivers great selfies and 1080p video recording. Perfect for all your social media needs. What's a smartphone without great battery life? It is equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery, ensuring you get through your day without constantly reaching for your charger. And when you do need to top up, the 25W wired charging has you covered, getting you back to full power in no time. Beyond the basics, it is packed with features like a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Connectivity is top-notch with 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC, depending on your region. All of this comes at a price that's hard to beat, around $189.97, making it one of the best value smartphones on the market today. So there you have it, it is a feature-packed, budget-friendly smartphone that ticks all the right boxes. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and news. Got questions or thoughts about the Galaxy A25? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.